Hello aspirants, let us revise TNTET paper 2 previous year question and answers. First question, cognitive development referred as intellectual development. Second question, learning is the acquisition of new behavior as a result of experience was defined by the answer is Henry P. Smith. Third question, the variable which can be manipulated is called as dash. The answer is independent variable. Fourth question, which of the following is not the method of techniques used for the assessment of personality? The answer is metacognition. Fifth question, according to Peel, educational psychology is the dash. The answer is science of education. Sixth question, the physical growth and development of an individual is conditioned by dash. The answer is heredity and environment. Seventh question, the two motives of man, egoistical motive and altruistic motive, was proposed by. The answer is Hudson. Eighth question, the three focal areas of educational psychology were dash. The answer is learner, learning process, environment. Ninth question, when you perceive something when there is no stimulus, it is known as dash. The answer is hallucination. Tenth question, which one of the following methods is an example for multiple choice type of objective test question? The answer is recognition. 11th question, self-actualization is a dash category of need. The answer is socio-psychological. 12th question, dash is an important speech defect in which the child is unable to pronounce correctly. The answer is slurring. 13th question, the process of growth and development is happened in dash. The answer is lifelong. Here only growth is given, means at the end of adolescence it is over. But in the question growth and development is given, so the answer is lifelong. 14th question, the best method of controlling emotion is dash. The answer is sublimation. 15th question, the term self-concept was originally proposed by. The answer is Lecky. 16th question, crime-based neighborhood is considered as a dash cause of mental illness. The answer is social. 17th question, dash is neither purely divergent nor purely convergent and always has elements of both. The answer is thinking. 18th question, dash includes our current thoughts, whatever we are thinking about or experiencing at a given moment. The answer is conscious. 19th question, the divergent thinking leads to dash. The answer is new creations and inventions. 20th question, insight in other words can be understood as dash. The answer is sudden awakening of thought. 21st question, the experiment is a dash observation. The answer is controlled observation. 22nd question. Which psychologist viewed frustration as the major cause of aggression? The answer is Dollard. 23rd question. Rote memorization can be avoided by using dash. The answer is teaching aids. 24th question. Individual's ability to grasp all the object inside the room is called. The answer is span of attention. 25th question. Problem solving method is an example for which one? The answer is learning by insight. 26th question. The aptitude of an individual at a particular moment mostly depends on dash. The answer is heredity and environment. 27th question. Emotional disturbances of adolescence can be helped to balance through dash. The answer is individual guidance. 28th question. If the child does not have insight and his reasoning proceeds in dash, the answer is trial and error. 29th question. A maladjusted child is dash, unable to maintain balance with the environment. 30th question. Motives or expressions of a person's dash. The answer is needs. Up to this, psychological question and answers are over. Next, let us see Tamil. 31st question. யாப்பிலக்கணத்தில் அடி என்று குறிப்பிடப்படுவது எதை பொறுத்தது? சீர்களின் எண்ணிக்கையை பொறுத்தது. 32nd question. இந்திர விழா 28 நாட்கள் கொண்டாடப்படுவதாக கூறும் இலக்கியம் எது? மணிமேகலை. 33rd question. நாட்காட்டி ஓவியங்களை டேஷ் என்று அழைப்பர். பசார் பெயிண்டிங் என்று அழைப்பர். 34th question. விகுதி பெறாமல் வினைப்பகுதியே தொழில் பெயராதல். இதை முதநிலை தொழில் பெயர் என்பர். 35th question. கூற்று 1 வல்லெழுத்துக்கள் க, ச, த, ப ஆகிய நான்கும் மொழிக்கு முதலில் வரும். கூற்று 2 நிலைமொழியுடன் புணர்கையில் அவற்றின் மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் தோன்றிப் புணராது. கூற்று 1 சரி, கூற்று 2 தவறு. 36th question. கோவைப்பழ மூக்கும் பாசிமணிக் கண்ணும் என்ற வரியில் இடம்பெறும் படிமம். மெய்ப்படிமம். 37th question. கப்பலுக்கு போன மச்சான் என்னும் நாவலை படைத்தவர் யார்? நாகூர் ரூமி. 38th question. தட்சிண மேரு என்று அழைக்கப்படுவது தஞ்சை பெரிய கோவில். 39th question. பேசப்படுவதும் கேட்கப்படுவதுமே உண்மையான மொழி என்று கூறியவர் மூவா. அறிஞர் மு. வரதராசனார். 40th question. கிழவனும் கடலும் என்ற நூலின் ஆசிரியர் யார்? எர்னஸ்ட் ஹெமிங்வே. 41th question. ஓகார என்னும் இடைச்சொல் நன்னூலில் தரும் பொருளில் கீழே பொருந்தாதவற்றை கூறுக. இசை நிறை. Question number 42. கோபல்ல கிராமம் என்ற நாவல் சாகித்ய அகாடமி விருது பெற்ற ஆண்டு 1991. Question number 43. பேரறிஞர் அண்ணாதுரை. நமது தமிழகத்தின் தனிச்சிறப்பு என்று கூறத்தகும் சங்க இலக்கிய சாரத்தை சாமானியரும் அறிந்து வாசிக்கக்கூடிய முறையில் தீட்டப்பட்ட ஏடுகள் இருக்க வேண்டும் என்று கூறிய முன்னாள் முதல்வர். கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 44. கத்துங்குயிலோசை இதில் இடம்பெறும் வலுவமைதியை தேர்க. மரபு வலுவமைதி. கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 45. பசும்பொன் உ. முத்துராமலிங்கத் தேவரின் படிப்பு பாதியில் நின்று போக காரணமான நோய் எது? பிளேக் நோய். 46th கொஸ்டின். மொழி இறுதியில் வரும் வினா எழுத்துக்கள் யாவை? ஆ, ஓ. 47th கொஸ்டின். பண்டைய கால கல்வி முறையில் வேத்தான் என அழைக்கப்படுபவர் யார்? பள்ளிக்கு முதலில் வருபவர். 48th கொஸ்டின். தமிழ் அறிஞர்களால் தமிழ் இமயம் என்ற போற்றுதலுக்குரியவர் யார்? வ. சுபமாணிக்கம். 49th கொஸ்டின். பின்வருவனவற்றுள் தொடர்பில்லாதது எது? தி ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஐயூறல் கூறல். 50th கொஸ்டின். பின்வரும் கலைச்சொற்களில் தவறான இணையை தேர்ந்தெடுக்கவும். கல்வெட்டு. ஏஸ்தெட்டிக்ஸ். கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 51. ஒரு கிராமத்து நதி என்னும் கவிதை நூலின் ஆசிரியர் யார்? சிற்பி பாலசுப்ரமணியம். கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 52. பின்வருவனவற்றுள் மொழியின் முதல் நிலை என்ன? பேசுவதும் கேட்பதும். கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 53. காலம் கறந்த பெயரச்சம் எது? வினைத்தொகை. கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 54. ஒப்புரவை விளக்கப் பயன்படுத்தியுள்ள உவமை எது? மருந்து மரம். கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 55. வருபவர் எவராயினும் நன்றி செலுத்து என்று வேண்டுபவர் யார்? ஜலாலுதீன் ரூமி. நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் பொறுத்துக. வவ் என்றால் கவர், கு என்றால் பூமி, சே என்றால் உயர்வு, மை என்றால் அஞ்சனம். 57th கொஸ்டின். பாரதியார் பெண்களுக்கான குரல் வெண்பா எழுதிய இதழின் பெயர் என்ன? சக்கரவர்த்தினி. கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 58. பகுபத உறுப்புகளுள் அடங்காது 7வது உறுப்பாக வரும் புறத்துறுப்பு எது? எழுத்துப்பேறு. 59th கொஸ்டின். கிழக்கு வாசல் உதயம் என்ற திங்களிதழை உத்தம சோழன் எத்தனை ஆண்டுகளாக நடத்தி வருகிறார்? 12 ஆண்டுகள். கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 60. நவீன தமிழ் மறுமலர்ச்சிக்கு வித்திட்டவர் யார்? சி. சு. செல்லப்பா. Up to this 30 Tamil questions are over. Now let us see English questions. Question number 61. Find out the odd word from the following. The answer is plenty. Question number 62. During which of the following seasons trees stretch their leafy branches towards the sun? The answer is summer season. Question number 63. Choose the singular form of the underlined word. I saw many geese in the park. The answer is goose. Goose. Question number 64. Robert Frost, an American poet noted for his realistic descriptions of rural life. Question number 65. Choose the correct option to complete the sentence. The criminal dash the place before the police could reach. The criminal had escaped. Question number 66. Dash or a mixture of notices, advertisements, and invitations. They are captivating and attractive. The answer is posters. Question number 67. Choose the reported form of the following sentence. Monica said, I want to become a doctor. The answer is option C. Question number 68. I will take the cow to the market. These words are uttered by Jack. Question number 69. We have a short dash between the sessions. The answer is break. BREAK. Question number 70. Choose the author of the poem Sea Fever from the options given. The answer is John Masefield. Question number 71. I can't carry the luggage dash more. I need dash help. Answer is any more some help. Question number 72. Choose the appropriate articles. Dash luggage is on dash platform. The answer is the luggage is on the platform. Question number 73. What is the expanded form of the following abbreviation GST? The answer is Goods and Services Tax. Question number 74. Dash consists of three parts of a topic sentence, supporting details, a concluding sentence. The answer is paragraph. Question number 75. The Nilgiri mountain train travels through 208 serpentine curves and 250 bridges. Question number 76. If I had studied, I dash the exam. I would have passed the exam. Question number 77. Find the blended word for the following. Mechanics plus electronics equal to mechatronics. Question number 78. Pick out the meaning of the idiom as busy as a hibernating bear. The answer is remaining idle. Question number 79. Choose the correct syllabification for the given word. Utopia. The answer is UTOPIA. Question number 80. What is the logical sequence for these words? Caterpillar, egg, butterfly, pupa. The answer is egg, caterpillar, pupa, butterfly. Question number 81. The pair of words bat/bat belongs to dash. The answer is homonyms. Question number 82. Choose the correct meaning for the underlined idiom. I have done more than many share in this partnership. The ball is in your court to decide what happens next. Here, the ball is in your court means turn to make a decision. Question number 83. Scattered pieces of rubbish or remains are termed as dash. The answer is debris. 84th question. Don't go by the word, he said. Here, the phrasal verb go by means dash. The answer is judge by. Question number 85. In a certain code language, if KBOVBSZ is the code word for January, what is the code word for October? In the given example January, the letters in the code word are the immediate next letters, that is one step forward. That is K is immediate next from J, B is immediate next from A. Likewise, if you write for October means we'll get P, D, U, P, C, F, S. 86th question. Fill in the blank with suitable homophones. This medicine will dash your pain. The answer is lesson. Lessen. 87th question. My Reminiscences was written and published by. The answer is Rabindranath Tagore. 88th question. Choose the correct sentence from the following group. The answer is I cannot cope with this pressure. Question number 89. Pick out the correct homonym from the given words. The answer is kind. Question number 90. Choose the correct expanded form of the abbreviation NMMS. The answer is National Means Cum Merit Scholarship. Up to this, 30 English questions are over. Now let us see mathematics and science questions. Question number 91. Find the range of the following distribution. Here in this problem, some age groups and the number of persons in that age group is given. Between the age group 12 to 18, there is no number of persons. So we can take the age group 18 to 24 as the lowest active group and the highest active group is between 30 to 36. A range equal to L minus S, that is largest value in the upper limit minus smallest value in the lower limit. Substitute the values, we get 36 minus 18, which is equal to 18. Question number 92. The mean of 13 numbers is 30. If each number is multiplied by 6, then the new mean is dash. We know the formula mean equal to sum of all the given numbers divided by total numbers given. In this problem, the mean is given and the total number is given. We have to find the sum. Substitute that, we get sum is equal to 390 and here in the given data, each number is multiplied by 6. So we can multiply the new sum into 6. That is 390 into 6, we get 2340. So the new mean is equal to 2340 divided by 13, which is equal to 180. Question number 93. A rational number a divided by b where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0 is said to be in the standard form if the only common factor of a and b is dash. The answer is 1. 94th question. Total number of integers between 1 and 100 which are divisible neither by 2 nor by 5 is equal to dash. By using the principle of inclusion and exclusion, the numbers divisible by 2 are 10 divided by 2 which is equal to 50 and the numbers divided by 5 are 100 divided by 5 which is equal to 20 and the numbers divided by both 2 and 5 is that is divisible by 10 which is 100 divided by 10 which is equal to 10. The integers between 1 to 100 divisible by 2 or 5 is equal to 60. Hence, the integers between 1 and 100 which are divisible neither by 2 nor by 5 is equal to 40. Question number 95. In a distribution, the mean and mode are 98 and 53 respectively. Calculate the median. Solution. Mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Substitute the values. 53 equal to 3x minus 2 into 98. So which is equal to 3x minus 196. So 3x equal to 53 plus 196 which is equal to 49. So x equal to 249 by 3 which is equal to 83. Question number 96. The sum of derivations of the entries from the arithmetic mean is always equal to dash. The answer is 0. 97th question. X equal to 5 is a dash. The answer is straight line. 98th question. In how many years rupees 1 lakh at 5 percentage per annum in simple interest increases to rupees 1 lakh 17,500. To find the interest, subtract the principal from the amount value. We get 17,500. We know the formula simple interest I equal to PNR divided by 100. From that n equal to 100 into I divided by P into R. Substitute the values and simplify. We get 3.5 years, which is 3 years and 6 months. Question number 99. The average mark of 25 students was found to be 78.4. Later on, it was found that score of 96 was misread as 69. Find the correct mean of the marks. We know mean x bar equal to sum of x by n. 78.4 is equal to sum of x by 25. Therefore, sum of x equal to 25 into 78.4, which is equal to 1960. Here 76 was misread as 69. So we have to subtract 69 and add 96. We get 1987. Therefore, the correct mean value, which is equal to 1987 by 25, which is equal to 79.48. Question number 100. The following are scores obtained by 7 players in a cricket match. 10, 15, 17, 9, 2, 21, 23. Then the median score is dash. By arranging the number in the ascending order, we can easily find the median score. Question number 101. Simplify the given problem. We have to take the square root from the right hand side. Root 4 equal to 2. And 7 plus 2 it is equal to 9. Then root of 9, which is 3. And 13 plus 3 is 16. Root 16 equal to 4. Finally we get root 25, which is equal to 5. Question number 102. Fill in the blanks using any set of suitable numbers. 8 is to dash proportion dash is to 3. The answer is 6, 4. Question number 103. By selling an article for rupees 7,200, a shopkeeper loses 10%. What is the cost price of an article? The formula for cost price is equal to selling price into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. Substitute the values and after simplification we get the answer as 8,000. Question number 104. Assertion. We can construct a rhombus when two of its diagonals are given. Reason. Rhombus is a special quadrilateral with all sides are equal and diagonals cut at right angles. The answer is both assertion and reason are correct and R is the correct explanation for A. Question number 105. In triangle ABC, line L1 is a perpendicular bisector of BC if BC equal to 8 cm and SM equal to 3 cm, then the value of CS is dash. Apply Pythagoras theorem to the right angle triangle SMC. We get C squared equal to SM squared plus MC squared. Substitute the values and simplification. Finally, we get CS equal to 5. Question number 106. Suppose 10 coins are tossed. Find the probability to get exactly 2 heads. From the problem, let us write the given data. N equal to 10, that is the total number of coins tossed. R equal to 2, the number of heads. P equal to 1 by 2, the probability of success. And Q equal to 1 by 2, the probability of failure. The probability to get exactly 2 heads, which is equal to NCR into p to the power r into q to the power n minus r. Substitute the values. We get 10c2 into 1 by 2 the whole power 2 into 1 by 2 the whole power 8, which is equal to 10 into 9 divided by 1 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 to the power 10. Finally we get 45 divided by 1024. Question number 107. If the variance of the values x, y, z is 9, then find the standard deviation of the values x plus 7, y plus 7, z plus 7 is equal to dash. Solution. Variance of x, y, z equal to 9. Adding a constant to each values does not change the spread of the data, that is variance. Therefore, variance of x plus 7, y plus 7, z plus 7, which is also equal to 9. We have to find the standard deviation sigma, which is equal to square root of variance, which is equal to square root of 9. Hence, standard deviation sigma equal to 3. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Hence, the total number of triangles in the figure is 12. Question number 109. Simplify 81 to the power minus 3 by 4. First, write it in the reciprocal form. We get 1 divided by 81 the whole power 3 by 4. 81 the whole power 1 by 4 is 3. So, we get 1 divided by 3 the whole cube, which is equal to 1 divided by 27. Question number 110. Match the following. Question number 111. In the given figure, if OY parallel to AT, what is YT and AT? Here the triangles BYO and BTA are similar triangles. The condition for similar triangle is BY divided by YT, which is equal to BO divided by OA, and YO divided by AT equal to BO divided by BA. Substitute the values from the given figure, and after simplification we get YT equal to 18. Next, to find AT, let us take YO divided by AT equal to BO divided by BA. Substitute the values. Finally we get AT equal to 16. Question number 112. Find the greatest common divisor of 4a squared plus 2a and 4a squared minus 1. In the first term 4a squared plus 2a, take 2a as common. We get 2a into 2a plus 1. In the second term 4a squared minus 1, it is in the form of a squared minus b squared. So we can write 2a plus 1 into 2a minus 1. Hence, the greatest common divisor is 2a plus 1. Question number 113. If A and B are two independent events such that P of B equal to 0.5 and P of A union B equal to 0.7, find P of A. P of A union B, which is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Since P of A and P of B are independent events, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Substitute the values, then we get P of A is equal to 0.4. 0.4, which is nothing but 2 divided by 5. Question number 114. If length of diagonals of rhombus are 10 cm and 24 cm, then find length of one side. In rhombus, all the four sides are equal. Let AC is equal to 10 cm, BD equal to 24 cm. The diagonals of rhombus bisect each other into two equal parts. Therefore, OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Let us take one segment of rhombus and apply Pythagoras theorem. A is equal to root of 5 squared plus 12 squared, which is equal to root of 25 plus 144, which is equal to root of 169, which is equal to 13 centimeter. Question number 115. 64 to the power 5 into 72 to the power 15 divided by 24 to the power 15, which is equal to dash. Which is equal to 64 power 5 into 72 by 24 the whole power 15. We can write 64 as 4 cube. So 4 cube the whole power 5 into 3 power 15, which is 4 power 15 into 3 power 15 equal to 4 into 3 the whole power 15 equal to 12 power 15. Question number 116. If the word medicine is coded as QIHMGMRI, how will teacher as coded? Hence the answer is option 2. Question number 117. The base of the parallelogram is thrice its height. If the area is 192 square centimeter, find the base and height in centimeter. Height. Given that base is equal to 3h, area is equal to 192 square centimeter, we have to find base and height. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. 192 is equal to 3h into h. This implies h squared is equal to 192 divided by 3, which is equal to 64. So h is equal to root of 64, which is equal to 8. So base is equal to 3 into 8, which is equal to 24. Question number 118. Evaluate the given problem. So we can easily solve this by using board mass. Question number 119. If P of E plus P of E dash equal to 1, then E and E dash are complementary events. Question number 120. By how much does 1 divided by 10 divided by 11 exceeds 1 divided by 10 divided by 11? The first value 1 divided by 10 divided by 11 can be written as 11 by 10, and the second term 1 divided by 10 divided by 11, which is equal to 1 divided by 110. We have to find the difference, so subtract the two numbers. 11 divided by 10 minus 1 divided by 110. By taking LCM and simple cancellation, we get the answer as 12 divided by 11. Up to this 30 max questions are over. Next let us see science question and answers. First question. For ohmic devices, the slope of the voltage current graph gives dash. Here in the graph, the current is in the y-axis and the voltage is in the x-axis. The slope gives the conductance. Second question. Apparent weightlessness is due to dash. The answer is change in gravity. Third question. A sound wave have a frequency of 2 kHz and wavelength 15 cm. How much time will it take to travel 1.5 km? Let us write the given data. Nu equal to 2 kHz, which is equal to 2000 Hz. Lambda equal to 15 cm, which is equal to 15 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. And the distance equal to 1.5 km, which is equal to 1500 meter. We have to find the time. We know the formula. Velocity equal to distance by time. Also we know that velocity equal to nu into lambda. From that we can find the velocity value, which is equal to 2000 into 15 into 10 to the power minus 2, which is equal to 300 meter per second. Rewrite the velocity equation. We get t equal to d divided by c. Substitute the distance and velocity values, which is equal to 1500 divided by 300, which is equal to 5 seconds. Question number 124. Convert 90 degree into radian. Radian degree conversion. We know 180 degree equal to pi radian. Convert 90 degrees into radian. 180 degree equal to pi radian. Divide by 2 on both sides. We get 90 degree, which is equal to pi by 2 radian. Question number 125. A distant star emit radiation with maximum intensity at 350 nanometer. The temperature of the star is dash. This problem can be solved by Wien's displacement law. Lambda maximum into T equal to B. Lambda is the maximum wavelength, T is the temperature, and B is the Wien's constant, and its value is 2.898 into 10 to the power minus 3. Rewrite the equation for temperature. We get B divided by lambda maximum which is equal to 2.898 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 350 into 10 to the power minus 9 nano value. On simplification, we get the temperature value is equal to 8280 Kelvin. Question number 126. Select the correct pair. The answer is rear view mirrors in vehicles is a convex mirror. Question number 127. In which part of human ear pressure variations of sound wave are turned into electrical signals? The answer is cochlea. Question number 128. The size of the ions is important to determine their behaviors in solution. Question number 129. Methyl acetate is a functional isomer of dash. The answer is propanoic acid. Question number 130. Froth flotation method of concentration of ore is based on dash. The answer is wettability of ore in oil. Question number 131. Which is the strongest acid in the following? The answer is Cl3CCOOH. Question number 132. Hardness of water can be removed by passing through an ion exchange bed like zeolite. Zeolite general formula is dash. The answer is option 4. Question number 133. The symbol of the elements with atomic number 38 and 56 are dash and dash. The answer is strontium and barium. Question number 134. The constituent elements present in pyrrhotgerite are dash. The answer is silver, antimony and sulfur. Question number 135. Dash element has a greater tendency to form a catenation. The answer is carbon. Question number 136. In pistia, instead of root cap, what is present? The answer is root pocket. Question number 137. The thylakoid contain small rounded photosynthetic units called dash. The answer is quantosomes. Question number 138. In bougainville, to attract the insects, the following part become colored. The answer is bracts. Question number 139. Which of the following matches is correct? The answer is option B. Question number 140. Match the following and find the correct option given below. The answer is option A. Question number 141. Genetically modified golden rice can prevent vitamin dash deficiency. The answer is vitamin A. Question number 142. Entry of minerals in plants take place in two steps. Step 1. Minerals enter into the root through cytoplasm of epidermal cell. Step 2. From the root, minerals are transported to all parts. The above steps takes place with help of the following process. The answer is step 1. Active transport. Step 2. Passive transport. Question number 143. Incubation period of filariasis is dash 8 to 16 months. Number 144. Deficient blood supply to the heart is called dash. The answer is ischemia. Question number 145. Calcitriol is secreted by proximal tubules of nephron. It promotes absorption of dash. The answer is calcium and phosphorus. Question number 146. Assertion. E-wastes can cause severe health hazards like damages of nervous system and respiratory system. Reason. Because e-wastes contain lead, cadmium, mercury and chromium. If both assertion and reason are true and R is correct explanation for assertion. Question number 147. Which of the following sequence is correct for the lysosomes? The answer is endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome. Question number 148. Find out the correct pair. The answer is Seolmates earthworm. Question number 149. As dash hormone suppresses the immune response, it is also known as stress combat hormones. The answer is cortisol. Question number 150. Find out the pathway of reflex or dash. The answer is sense organ, sensory neuron, spinal cord, motor neuron, muscle. Thank you.